Hi, I'm Ron Welcome, the maintenance director at Alabama Rental Property. Me and Michaela are going to show you a few quick tips on how to maintain your properties. So all Alabama rental properties have the same type of master locks. All master locks turn to the silver is for the renter. Turn the face up. If you come home and see it like that, that means that maintenance has been there and that staff has been there to inspect. Just simply turn it back down to your rental area and your key that you were given will work. We hope this tip has helped you or resolved your problem. If it hasn't, please put in a work order or call us at the number that's on your screen. Thank you so much.